Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you guys? Sorry, I'm a little late, but थोड़ी से connection के issues थे और शोर भी बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे. I am live from the urban forest right now, which is in Karachi, near Do Talwar. It is it's a space जहाँ पे बहुत सारे plants और trees plant हुए हैं, उनको उगाया जा रहा है and it's basically like an oasis in the middle of all this concrete in Karachi. There's a lot of garbage around that I can see also, and it's very, very sad. But I hope that that is cleared up soon. But anyways, it's a bit of a respite from the city, and it's pretty noise zyada hai, but bear with. So I came here and then I realized कि भाई phone calls आ रही हैं बीच में. So I have taken somebody's hotspot and shut my phone because we couldn't get internet here. So how are you guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? जुम्मा मुबारक हो. I hope your Friday is going beautifully. And I'm here to talk about this new brand that I am working on, जो मैं लॉन्च करने जा रही हूँ इंशाल्लाह on the 8th of March. 8th of March बड़ी स्पेशल डेट है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि एक तो मेरी फैमिली में जो नंबर 8 है, it is of utmost importance. हमारे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो फैमिली के इवेंट्स हुए हैं या कोई बहुत अहम वाक़या हुआ है, वो 8 की डेट के साथ कनेक्टेड होता है. So when I chose this date, my mother was like, oh excellent, this date is really important in our family. तो मेरी अम्मी न्यूमरोलॉजी में बिलीव करती हैं काफ़ी हद तक. So 8 मार्च को लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, वुमेंस डे भी है, and this launch will also be a tribute for women all over the country, all over the world, especially women who are juggling a lot of different things, careers, home, family. So this is a tribute to all of them, and this is a very, very special I would say venture for me. It's very close to my heart, और बहुत सारे सवालात हैं लोगों के जो आ रहे हैं क्योंकि मैंने ये सरप्राइज रखा from most people. I was working on it quietly. Only my close friends knew about it, and I was helping. I was getting help from them. और मैं जो टेस्ट कर रही थी अपने products अपने ऊपर, and a variety of people, a lot of friends who volunteered. So only they knew. और अब आप लोगों को भी पता है, लेकिन exactly नहीं पता लोगों को कि क्या है. Some people like, what is it? Is it makeup? Is it clothes? Is it skincare? Because all of that is connected to beauty. Aisha O Beauty is an all natural brand जो inshallah I will be launching soon, and it is connected to skin, because I think that सबसे पहली जो चीज़ होती है, जो बेस होता है आपका, that is your skin, right? I mean, if your skin and your I would say your face or your skin, if that is making you feel good and making you feel confident, making you feel beautiful, then half the job is done. Then comes your hair, then comes makeup, which is like an armor on top, and clothes. So I think I'm hinting at where this is gonna go later. But I have Bushra with me, and Bushra has a bunch of questions जो बहुत सारे लोग पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे. I'm getting a lot of messages, a lot of phone calls, a lot of queries about what the brand is about. So Bushra, बताइए क्या सवाल?
Okay, the first question. How did the idea of Aisha O Beauty come to you?
The idea of Aisha O Beauty. Okay, now यार बड़ी लंबी कहानी है. कहानी शुरू से शुरू करूँ या short form में बताऊँ?
Just give people some idea.
Okay, so I am connected to show business. I am connected to the media, which means it is about our external appearance as well as somebody's craft, somebody's talent. So it's a package, right? How you look, how you dress, how you act, how you present yourself. It's all a part of the whole show going on, right? Or for me, beauty is not just about how you're looking on top. For me, it's about how you're feeling inside. For me, it's about how हेल्थी योर बॉडी इज़, आप अपने आप को किस तरह नर्चर कर रहे हैं, अपना किस तरह ख्याल कर रहे हैं, वो सारा कुछ जो है इट शोज़. Like you know they say you are what you eat. It's absolutely true. आप जो भी खा रहे होते हैं, जो भी कंज्यूम कर रहे होते हैं, whatever fuel आप अपनी बॉडी में डाल रहे हैं, वो दिखता है आपकी शक्ल पे, आपके बालों में, आपकी स्किन, आपकी health, everything. So you are actually what you eat. And Aisha O Beauty is a brand which is going to not just involve skincare. अभी तो मैं skincare से शुरू कर रही हूँ, so that means that I'm coming out with a range of skincare products. But it's going to involve hair care. It's going to involve internal care. Like I'm going to also go into supplements and healthy snacks. I'm also going to go into fashion later on. I'm going to go into makeup, and all of that will be connected to nature, यानी कि natural elements, because I feel that the body is obviously happiest when it's close to nature. You know, हमारा एक निज़ाम है जो अल्लाह ताला ने बनाया है, और वो एक बहुत ही complicated, deeply connected एक cycle है, एक system है. सारे I would say living beings and all the elements of nature on the earth, they work together. And अगर हम उस निज़ाम में से कुछ ना कुछ डिडक्ट करने की कोशिश करें, या उसके अगेंस्ट जाएंगे, या अपनी बॉडी में हार्मफुल केमिकल्स और चीज़ें और टॉक्सिन्स डाल रहे होंगे, तो आई फील दैट योर बॉडी इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी हैप्पी, राइट? एंड योर स्किन इज़ अ ह्यूज पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी. इट इज़ अब्जॉर्बिंग एवरीथिंग दैट यू पुट ऑन इट. लोग ये भूल जाते हैं कि अच्छा, अगर हम अच्छा खा रहे हैं, तो अगर हम अच्छा लगा नहीं रहे अपनी स्किन के ऊपर, और वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा ऑर्गन है और उसके थ्रू सब कुछ अब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है, इट्स नॉट जस्ट व्हाट यू ईटिंग बट व्हाट यू पुटिंग ऑन योर सेल्फ, वो भी आपके अंदर एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है और आपके लिवर के थ्रू मेटाबलाइज हो रहा है. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड मेरी फैमिली में मेरा जो भाई है, माई एल्डर ब्रदर, ही इज़ अ नेचुरोपैथ. वो एक होलिस्टिक हीलर है.
Okay.
Or he studied, environment and sustainability and conservation, and he did organic farming. उन्होंने 5 साल पहले अपने मास्टर्स किए, and then he was traveling in different parts of the world. और वो मुख्तलिफ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मर्स के साथ रहे, उनके साथ उन्होंने चीज़ें उगाईं, उनसे बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज इकट्ठी की, हाउ टू स्टे क्लोज टू नेचर बेसिकली, एंड बहुत रिसर्च की उन्होंने. And he then, with my mother, kind of we changed our entire philosophy. हमारी जो फैमिली की लाइफस्टाइल की फ़िलासफ़ी थी. मेरी अम्मी जो है वो हमेशा से तिब्बे नबवी की सारी चीज़ों में बिलीव करती थी. शी यूज्ड टू बी कंसल्टिंग तिब्बे नबवी. जब हम छोटे थे तो कोई भी बीमारी हो जाए, कोई भी एनी हेल्थ इशू दैट वी वुड हैव, or even how to supplement the diet, all of that, it came from Ibn Abi. कि भाई सुबह को लौंजी खानी है, और हमारे our holy prophet, you know how he used to eat, his way of eating. So my mother tried to follow that, हमारे साथ भी और अपने साथ भी. And obviously she was a single parent. बहुत सारे stresses थे, बहुत कुछ ज़िंदगी में था जिससे वो गुजरी. She was widowed at a young age. So बहुत सारे stress, और उसकी वजह से she developed an autoimmune disorder. सोराइसिस, जो एक स्किन का डिसऑर्डर. और मेरे अब्बू की साइड से भी एक्जिमा और स्किन की बहुत इश्यूज एग्जिस्ट करते थे. सो शी बिकेम रियली रियली सिक, एंड बहुत सारे जो लोग हैं वो उसकी मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट ही करते हैं मोस्टली. बट माई ब्रदर डिसाइडेड कि वो मेरी अम्मी को नेचुरली हील करेंगे, विच मीन्स कि उन्होंने अपनी पूरी डाइट बदली, एवरीथिंग. She became gluten free, sugar free, dairy free, सारी processed चीज़ें ज़िंदगी से निकाल दी. But उसके साथ साथ जो products वो use कर रही थी, which is you can say like your deodorants and your face washes, your creams, everything, the detergents, वो सब भी मेरे भाई ने change किए. And उन्होंने natural चीज़ों को use किया, and he used natural remedies, and slowly and gradually कोई 1.5 साल लगा, my mother's condition sort of started improving, and then she was cured. And now, mashallah, she does not have that. She reversed the autoimmune disorder because of a completely a clean diet, but she wasn't just following a healthy diet. वो बहुत सारी herbal remedies और बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर रही थी इन अमाउंट जो रेगुलर कंजम्पशन के लिए नहीं होती, यू नो, लाइक अ रेगुलर ह्यूमन बीइंग हु इज़ फाइन, हु डजंट हैव हेल्थ इश्यूज. तो वो उससे ज़्यादा एक्सेस में कुछ चीज़ें करनी पड़ी टू रिवर्स द थिंग. एंड बहुत डीप रिसर्च की मेरे भाई ने, बहुत you know, he went really deep into it. And now mashallah, you know, my mother is mashallah she's very healthy. You know, कुछ जो एक बुढ़ापे के एक से पेन्स और हड्डियों में कुछ दर्द और जॉइंट्स के इश्यूज अब वो हल्के फुल्के हैं, but mashallah, you know, her skin condition has almost 100% completely sort of healed. So yeah, so you know, me and my brother had been thinking about going into a product line like this, कि हम natural products बनाएं. फिर मेरे भाई जो हैं वो फिर से चले गए मुल्क छोड़ के, वो डेनमार्क चले गए अपने सेकंड मास्टर्स करने, और अब वो अपना PhD करेंगे.
In the same field?
Yes. So मैं पीछे रह गई और मैंने कहा अब मैं क्या करूं, मैंने तो भाई के साथ ये करना था. But then I started working on it on my own. और बस अल्लाह की तरफ से, you know, doors open. And then I will tell you as we go on in our session कि किस तरह मैंने ये product line बनाई. या अभी बता दूँ?
I just want to ask, is it some sort of beauty revolution?
I would say it's a lifestyle revolution. You know, everything is connected. Beauty, like I said, beauty is not just about your skin or how you look or your body. It's about how you feel. You know, like, how are you inside? If you're not doing well inside, then I don't think that you can feel beautiful completely in a holistic way. So it is a lifestyle revolution. और इसमें basically it's about following a lifestyle जो nature से connected है, nature से करीब है, you know, being outdoors, getting a lot of sunlight, being whenever आपको chance मिले आप बाहर निकलें, आप पौधों के करीब हों, you breathe fresh oxygen, you go to the ocean. बहुत ज़्यादा oxygen मिलती है when you're close to the ocean or the sea. Excellent quality because seaweeds give out a lot of oxygen, right? So it's very good to go and breathe like at the sea.
Which brings us to our next question.
Yeah.
So you have worked with natural ingredients while making the products for Aisha O Beauty.
Yeah.
Is there one particular ingredient, natural ingredient that is your personal favorite?
Lots actually. But मुझे बताओ साइमा, हाथ तो नहीं थक गए? You want to hand the phone over to Osama? Okay, great. Okay, cool. So भाई बहुत सारे ingredients हैं जो मेरे favorites हैं. I'm a huge fan of coconut oil. Okay, तो मेरी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में आपको coconut oil और coconut extracts मिलेंगे, right? I'm also a big fan of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a miracle plant. तो aloe vera भी एक ऐसा ingredient है जो मेरे products में बहुत ज़्यादा है. Then I'm a fan of neem. I'm a fan of honey. Okay, I'm a fan of apricots and almonds. तो apricot oil जो बादाम होते हैं जो apricots के अंदर होते हैं, that apricot kernel oil. So इस तरह की कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो lavender. I'm a big fan of lavender. So ये चीज़ें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे products में मिलेंगी. And the thing is, it's very hard to source all organic ingredients, especially in Pakistan. और मेरी कोशिश ये थी कि मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा locally found ingredients use करूँ. कुछ चीज़ें आपको locally नहीं मिल रही होती, but mostly I'm trying to use local ingredients. And not all of they are natural, but you can't really sort of call them all organic because उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा certification की ज़रूरत होती है. And inshallah, the plan is to become all organic. Right now we're all natural, all the products are natural, no chemicals involved, but we're not all organic. So some of the ingredients are organic. So इसलिए जब आप, you know, when you travel abroad and you buy organic products, उन पे seal लगी होती है, एक USDA organic or whatever, you know, like institution is the authority over there for giving them an organic seal. So वो जो है वो अभी पाकिस्तान में I don't think an institution like that exists. So if you want to call your product all organic, उसमें तो बहुत कुछ involved है कि जिस soil में वो आपके ingredients उगे हैं वो, you know, it has to be organic over a few generations. वो किस तरह उस soil को process किया है, so all of that is involved. So that the plan is to definitely go towards that, but abhi it's an all natural product line.
So it's fair to say that it has a science to it.
It has organic ingredients and they're all natural. Yeah, and there's a real science to it. Yeah.
Okay, would you call Aisha O Beauty a women-centric brand?
No, the products are for men and women because वो जो natural ingredients हैं वो तो हर इंसान की skin के लिए अच्छे हैं और हर इंसान की skin और body को nourish करेंगे. So it's not for just women, it's for men and women. But I would say that yes, mostly जिन लोगों ने काम किया है इस पे a lot of them are women. And a lot, of course, our major market is going to be women because men don't usually take care of their skin as much as women do. I want to change that. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये जो टैबू है कि अगर मर्द जो है वो अपना ख्याल करते हैं और अपनी स्किन का ख्याल करते हैं तो वो it's not masculine enough. I want to change that. Everybody should take care of their. My brother is really caring about his skin and all his. What's happening?
Somebody's asking,
Okay.
Will these products be delivered internationally? Yeah, for shipping.
Yes. Inshallah, that's the plan, that they will be available in the US, they will be available in the UK. The कोशिश तो यही है कि we're going to be distributing as much as possible around the world जहाँ possible है. And उसकी ये जो help दी जा रही है, that's Himani. Himani is manufacturing the products. And they're going to be distributing the products. But the product is fine. Yeah. So I had the ideas and I had the knowledge, and then I went to Himani for their expertise because they have been in the business for years and years. And they have so many products in the market, or they actually have herbalists and doctors working in their team. So obviously I wanted a panel जहाँ पे जो मेरे ideas हैं, जो मैं चाहती हूँ, like for example if I want rose hip oil, or I want lavender oil, or I want neem oil, or green tea extracts. So I want all this, but I obviously need someone else's expertise to figure out कि किस quantity में क्या होना चाहिए. अच्छा okay, ये इतनी quantity में ये ज़्यादा हो सकता है, हाँ ईशा हो सकता है, but ये इसके साथ शायद react करे. So that kind of expertise came from Himani. So the ideas were mine. I knew what I wanted. I knew कि किस चीज़ के लिए क्या चीज़ beneficial है, effective है, but उसकी exact जो science है, उसकी exact calculation है, testing है, वो Himani के साथ की. And then I started testing the products on myself. Of course, सबसे पहले तो अपने ऊपर करूँगी. Whatever works for me, obviously will then work further. And then a lot of my friends, and I'm very thankful to my friends who also started testing the products with me. And the results are really, really amazing. I'm very excited, guys, क्योंकि कुछ मेरे products हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा, I would say, they're really, really good and they're really effective.
When will it launch? Somebody's asking.
8th of March. 8th March 2021. Yeah.
Okay. Is there one particular product in your line that is your absolute favorite?
Yes, there is.
एक होता है ना, आपको bias होता है.
बिल्कुल. एक है night serum. It's not just my favorite, it's everybody's favorite.
Why is that?
Because the night serum, I feel कि आपकी जो recovery होती है आपकी body की, वो रात में होती है, right? Sleep is so important. हम पूरा दिन जिंदगी गुजार रहे हैं, we're going about our work, our life, but अगर हमें rest और recovery नहीं मिल रही तो that is like, मतलब आपकी आधी तो job fail हो रही है. You have to let your body rest and recover. और जब आपकी body recover कर रही होती है, वो हर चीज़ regenerate कर रही होती है, वो हर चीज़ heal कर रही होती है. So all your organs are being regenerated. I mean, that's when they go into recovery and regeneration mode. And I feel that's the most important time. So the night serum जो रात को आप लगाएंगे, and it's really effective. It's really suiting people. It's really like nourishing skins. 3-4 मेरे दोस्त हैं जो who have become addicted to it, including me. I use it every night.
People are asking price of night serum.
You'll find out everything on the 8th of March. You have to stay tuned. वो night serum जो है, it's made of a lot of natural oils. और बहुत कम यूज़ करना होता है. You know, you put a few drops, you rub it in your hand. और मज़े की बात ये है कि obviously because वो natural चीज़ें हैं, natural oils हैं, तो उनकी smell भी बहुत ज़्यादा soothing है आपकी body के लिए. तो मैं जो उनको rub करके ना अपने हाथों को, I put them on my face like this, so that the oil gets transferred to my face and I can also smell it. और वो smell करके भी it's very soothing. And I take deep breaths. And when you do deep breathing, your body knows कि अच्छा अब I'm safe. Okay? So deep breathing is very very important at night. और अगर आप इस serum के साथ वो deep breathing करेंगे and you're inhaling all the amazing aromas, I mean it's one aroma but it has a lot of them involved, तो it'll really be effective. I mean, it calms me down. और मैं बड़ी एक high stress इंसान हूँ. I'm always running around. I mean, all the people who work with me like have to struggle to be at my pace and my energy because I think and I work in triple time. तो रात को मुझे बड़ी problem होती है to calm down.
Okay.
So I need to sort of involve certain herbs in my life, natural चीजें जिनसे मैं calm down करूँ.
So we're not just looking at skincare, right?
We, I mean, right now it's skincare.
Okay.
It is.
ठीक है.
But inshallah, within 2 months, then comes hair care, and then comes internal care in the form of like supplements and certain herbs which are really good for you, herbal extracts. उसको उधर branch out करेंगे, inshallah. So plan जो है वो पूरे lifestyle create करना है. The Aisha O life.
Okay. One last question. Where
Okay.
can we find more about Aisha O Beauty?
I have just started an Instagram page. It's called aisha.o.beauty. उस पर जाइए. और अभी तो हम आपको tease कर रहे हैं with teasers. Not giving out too much information. In
Okay.
fact, मैंने आज बहुत ज़्यादा information दे दी है बुशरा.
I think you revealed a bit too much.
I have revealed a bit too much. We were trying not to reveal too much because भाई launch के लिए भी तो कुछ छोड़े. But yeah, you know, people had a lot of questions, and I'm very excited that people are so eager to find out more. और ये जो एक revolution है ना, क्या कहते हैं उसकी health की, that is, I mean, what I mean by health revolution is that people are going towards a more healthier lifestyle, a more sustainable lifestyle, a more natural lifestyle. उसकी awareness बढ़ रही है. So the plan is कि इसके साथ साथ, इस product line के साथ साथ, I'm also going to be, you know, sharing all the knowledge and information that I am always trying to acquire with all of you, ताकि आप लोगों को भी पता चले और आप लोग अपनी research करें, हर चीज़ double check करें. क्योंकि मेरे घर में, क्योंकि my brother is the science person and my mother is the belief person. So my mother follows Tibbe Nabvi and my brother is always researching and you know in microbiomes and other things. और फिर वो दोनों consult करते हैं एक दूसरे को और फिर हम realize करते हैं कि वो सारी चीज़ें जो अब you know people are going towards and that science is trying to tell us and talk about और research हो रही है उन पे, वो सारी चीज़ें, a holy prophet, you know, he was actually I would say following that path, you know, all of it. So it's just beautiful to realize all this कि वो क्या चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे प्यारे रसूल अपनी डाइट में इंक्लूड करते थे, या कुछ तरीके जैसे नीचे बैठ के खाना, you know, ज़मीन पे बैठ के खाना. मैं ज़मीन पे बैठ के खाती हूँ. I have a low table in my house. नहीं होती. Okay, what?
We're having a little bit of internet problems,
Oh
but
no, it's okay.
okay.
It's fine. चलता है. Okay, what? And how's the sound? It's cool, guys? आवाज़ है? Okay.
Everybody can hear Aisha.
Okay. इतना शोर नहीं हुआ वैसे.
हाँ.
That we were expecting. So any more questions, guys? Is the internet back on? Connection? Okay.
So,
A
tell us.
lot of people have been messaging me and asking, tell us more about the, you know, the brand. I think मैंने काफी बता दिया या नहीं बताया? और बता? नहीं?
I
Okay,
think we
fine.
should wait for 8th March.
We should?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, inshallah. Okay. And on the 8th of March, guys, the products will be available online तो हम ऑनलाइन ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेबसाइट, यू गाइस विल फाइंड आउट अबाउट इट. तो आप अपने घर बैठे बैठे वो प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, आपको आ जाएंगे. दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी टू एक्सपेंसिव. ये मेरी पूरी कोशिश है कि ऑल्दो नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, ऑर्गेनिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स बहुत महंगे होते हैं, बट लाइक आई सेड, क्योंकि मैं नेचुरली सोर्स करना लोकली सोर्स कर रही हूँ, तो ऑब्वियसली हम प्राइस रेंज भी कम रखेंगे.
ठीक है.
एंड मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि जो मेरे कंटेनर्स हों वो ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव भी ना हो, क्योंकि आपकी प्राइस हर चीज़ से बढ़ती है. यू नो, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. जिस कंटेनर में आप डाल रहे हैं वो भी अगर बहुत महंगा होगा तो आपकी प्राइस ज़्यादा ऊंची जाती है. सो ऑफ कोर्स द कंटेनर्स आर गोइंग टू बी सॉलिड, इफेक्टिव, जो आपको चाहिए, बट रिसाइक्लेबल, सस्टेनेबल, नॉट टू एक्सपेंसिव, so that the price range is low. And they're going to be reusable. They're great containers.
That's
You
awesome.
can refill stuff in them also.
You've really put that philosophy inside your product.
Yeah, you
Even
know,
with the
कि अगर
packaging.
एक कंटेनर है वो आपने किसी प्रोडक्ट खत्म हो गया है, तो अब उसको आप reuse कैसे कर सकते हैं, उसमें क्या डाल सकते हैं?
That's awesome.
Yeah, so you'll be able to open the caps, put more things in it, and what? There was one more thing I wanted to say. क्या सवाल था? वहाँ पे सवाल था बुशरा. You said कि जवाब दे रही थी ना अभी कुछ कि containers price.
हाँ, the price.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So price is going to be really, really reasonable, very reasonable, but no compromise on quality, inshallah. Yeah.
Okay. We trust you. You've been in the
Okay.
industry for a long
Oh
time.
God, too much pressure. But yeah, people were like, you know, you have endorsed a lot of beauty brands. So suddenly ये फिर मतलब क्यों, कैसे?
Did you find something missing that you came up with this line?
No, I've actually been really lucky, mashallah, and all the brands that I have endorsed in the past, वो भी मैंने बहुत ethically सोच के, like for example, you know, I am dead against fairness products, and never in my life have I endorsed anything जो ये promote कर रही हो कि भाई आप गोरे हो जाएंगे. And my brand also, it's about healthy skin, it's about beautiful skin, it's not about being fair at all, क्योंकि इस दुनिया में इतनी skin types हैं, इतने skin colors हैं, how can you go against nature? You know, it's natural. आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि ये इस color को मैंने ये करना है? And how does that define your concept of beauty or anybody's concept of beauty? That's what I want to change. और अब अजान हो रही है तो हम छोटी सी break लेते हैं.
All right.
Break
done.
it. But we're done, guys. Love you all. I might come back live after the azan. Stay tuned. Done?